All right, here we come to the elevator at the Offshore Technology Research Center at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at this, yet another fresh find. An impulsively Dover-rated moment. Let's ride, here we go. Cab reminds me of the one at the Walk-in parking garage. You can come inside. Here's your non-ADA foam. COP is a little bit loose. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, I just want to get a sound on the motor. Don't worry, I didn't get you.
Oh, you're fine.
Dover. Very, very Dover rated. Before I forget, check this out. Mechanical safety edge, which a lot of these push bars are replaced with sensors for safety and ADA compliance. And you see there's electric eye right there, which what it does, the electric eye view, if you hit that electric eye when the door's closing, it'll stop and reopen. So I think this elevator's got like a photo cell of some sort, which a lot of elevators that get replaced with sensors nowadays. But anyways, these are Dover impulse fixtures. And I see the Dover blue, so this is definitely a late 80s Dover. So with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.